Every human has established a habit of cooking. It just has different forms. Before we can eat, we have to do something beforehand. You can either take the time to drive, ride, or walk to your restaurant, or choose your order and call for your favorite takeout and wait for your food. You can cook convenient food that only takes 1 to 5 minutes to prep, or you could take 30 minutes and cook a balanced meal. So it's quite obvious that we don't have to establish a new habit if we want to lose weight or simply eat better food. We just have to improve the habit of food providing and learn how to make it super efficient. But how can we defeat that bastard that holds us back to do so? James Clear suggests in his book Atomic Habits to switch words. Instead of saying I have to cook, you could simply say I get to cook. You shift your mindset and feel no longer like the victim that has no other choice, but instead empowered because unlike some, you get to cook and you get to eat. Eating out most days of the week is stressful. Ordering food every other day is expensive, and it all doesn't fully serve the point of feeding you a balanced meal. Those strategies are a waste of your time and your money. The biggest frustration around cooking might be to know what to cook, but you can learn how to overcome that frustration by taking my online program, Wisdom of Food Providing. It helps you to create a super efficient habit of cooking. Make the bad habits that cause your overweight unattractive. Well, that's quite hard. Eating too many snacks, eating after dinner. This is difficult if you eat the wrong food for lunch or dinner. So, as you improve the habit of getting food on the table, which means you start eating balanced, the other bad habits will go away by themselves. By cooking good food, you also address those other habits. You put in the effort to cook a good meal, and at the same time, you make the effort to erase your snacking habits. Let's summarize. The habit of cooking already exists in your schedule. It can have other forms like cooking. It can be eating out, ordering takeout, cooking convenient food. Those forms are a waste of your time and your money because they don't serve you a balanced meal. You want to lose weight or eat healthier, so a balanced diet is a must. The only thing left to do is to improve the form of cooking. You get to cook for yourself. You take the stress out of your life if you learn how to do it efficiently. If you liked this video and found it very informative, give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to this channel. There's more to come.